you are not making money online. Am I right? And it's not because you don't have a good idea. It's not because you are not smart enough. It's because you are making one fundamental mistake that 99% of people make. And once you understand this mistake, everything changes. Stick around because I am walking you through exactly what this mistake is and how to fix it now. I realized I was making the biggest mistake in online business journey. I was creating content without a business model. Let's let that sink in. I was creating, posting, getting views, but there was no way to convert those views into money. It is the serious problem, and that might be the same problem you are suffering from. Think about it. YouTube takes 3 months to monetize. Ad revenue is terrible. You need 1 million views for 1000, no affiliate links, no digital products, no way to collect email. I was doing all the hard work but skipping the easy part, making it profitable. That was my mistake. And if you are struggling to make money online, I will bet you are making the exact same mistake. Here's the framework I use now. It's divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is about traffic. Get eyeballs. Doesn't matter if it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Just get attention. Part 2. And part 2 is about conversion. Turn those eyeballs into something you own, an email list, a Discord community, or whatever. Part 3. Monetize, convert your own audience into your customers. Most people do part 1 and call it a day. Someone has 10,000 followers, why aren't he as rich? Because followers don't equals to money. Followers equals to potential to make money. The money comes from part 2 and part 3. And I know you are excited to know about part 3. Let me slowly show you exactly how I do. So part 1 is traffic. Here's how I get traffic on YouTube. Step 1. Pick your one niche. Mine is Google Cloud plus AI tools plus developer content. And this is specific. It matters that you need to own one thing, not everything. Step 2 is create content that solves problems. Not entertainment, not vlogs. Problems that people actually search for on the Google. Some examples like how to use Google Cloud for beginners, best AI tools for productivity, cloud functions, tutorials. You can use TubeBuddy. Use keyword research tools. Find keywords with high search volume. 1K plus searches per month or low competition relevant to your niche. It's the most important step. And step 4 is consistency, not perfection. Post 2x per week, 4 videos per month. That doesn't sound like much, but it's consistent. So if you wanna do anything, you should be consistent. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency, not perfection. After 3 months of consistent uploads, my traffic went from 0 to much better position. Step 5 is thumbnails and titles matter a lot. Your thumbnail determines click-through rate. Thumbnail equals to 8 to 12% CTR. 10 people watch and 1 click. Bad thumbnail equals 1 to 2% CTR. That's 5x difference. I use Canva simple designs, converting colors, text plus images. For titles, must include keywords for SEO, must include curiosity gap, must be under 60 characters. For instance, I tested 10 AI tools. 7 are garbage and 3 changed my life. So that title, what it includes? Keywords, creates curiosity, which one are good? Result, 8 to 10% CTR is 2% CTR with a boring title. Monetization, that is where the money comes from. Now I have an email list of 5,000 plus people who trust me and want information about AI tools. How do I turn them into my customer? 1. Affiliate links. Easy starts immediately. When I recommend a tool, I include an affiliate link. For example, VoiceWrite Pro, which is $25 per month. I include my affiliate link in and YouTube description, email newsletter, my tools database. If someone buys through my link, I get 30% commission equals to 7.50 per sale. Why does this work? Because I actually use the tools. I am recommending them because they are good, not because I want commission or something like that. Authenticity equals trust and trust equals sale. Method 2 is digital products. Higher profit margin. I created an advanced course on AI tools mastery, the complete guide. Price is about $97 one time. It includes video tutorials, 5 hours, and swipe files, and also various kind of templates, databases of 255 plus AI tools, insider analysis, private community. If you guys became able to sold 47 copies, it equals 4,559, round about this amount. Cost to create, it's absolutely $0. Cost to serve, $10 month for hosting. Profit is 99%, not bad, dude. Method 3 is premium membership, recurring revenue. Best part about online business is recurring revenue. I launched AI Tools Pro membership. It's about $29 per month. And then you guys can calculate it that if 5 people bought my subscription, then what happens? So basically, early access to the research, 1 free consultation per month. These are some additional features which I add to my membership. Currently have 23 paying members, so it's around about $667. And projected annual amount, I will leave it on you. But here's the game changer. Each month, if I get 2 to 3 members, then it makes me a good revenue. I am not even doing anything special. I am just sharing what I know. Here's the key insight that changed everything. Most people try to monetize immediately, but that's obviously not possible. It requires time. I just started YouTube. When will I get AdSense account? It's wrong approach, very wrong approach actually. Build the sequence. You have to build this sequence. Create content, 3 to 6 months, no money expected. Build trust, audience loves your content. Collect emails, build your own asset, create something valuable like digital products. Offer it to your list. Then monetization becomes automatic. People ask to buy from you instead of you begging them to buy your product. And here's the beautiful part. Once you have one successful monetization method, you add more. You don't need all 5, even 2 generates meaningful income. Affiliate plus membership, like you can make $3,500 to $5,000 per month. This is life. That's life changing for most of the people. So here's what you need to do. Start today. If you don't have an audience, build one. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Pick one and be consistent. If you have an audience but no email list, create a lead magnet today. Something valuable, get emails. If you have emails list but not monetization, add affiliate links or create a simple digital product. You are already monetizing. Add a second revenue stream. Diverse significantly equals to stability. People making real money online all follow the same pattern: traffic, email list, and then digital product. Revenue. It's not easy, it's not a secret, but it works. And it works whether you are in my niche, AI, tools, or completely different. This doesn't matter. The framework is universal. Video was helpful, and like and subscribe. I break down exactly how successful creators make money. Check the description for my lead magnet, the 255 plus AI tools list, and reply in the comments. What's your comment? Bottleneck. No audience, small audience but no monetization. At what stage you are? Read every single comment and I might answer you in my next video. Thanks for watching.